Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to my kitchen. First, let's prepare our chicken. Take 4 small chicken fillets. Make cuts on each fillet as shown in the video, but be careful not to cut all the way through. This will allow us to stuff the chicken with delicious ingredients. We're going to cook a delicious chicken with pineapple and bacon, served with creamy sweet potato mash and a refreshing pineapple salsa. This dish holds a special place in my heart and is sure to become a family favorite in your home too. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. These fillets cook quickly and stay tender, making them perfect for our dish. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add a pinch of salt to each resulting pocket. Next, we place a slice of Swiss cheese into each cut. Swiss cheese melts beautifully and adds a wonderful, creamy flavor to our chicken. Cheese is a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new, similar recipes. Now, let's add a tropical twist. Take half a pineapple. Peel it. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and B6, manganese, and antioxidants, which support the immune system and overall health. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like as it's the best reward from you. And divide it into 2 quarters. Set 1 quarter aside for later, and chop the second quarter into small pieces. Place these pineapple pieces into the cuts of the chicken. Pineapple adds a lovely sweetness and juiciness to our dish. Did you know that pineapples are a symbol of hospitality and welcome? They have been enjoyed for centuries and are known for their unique enzyme, bromelain, which helps with digestion and inflammation. Now let's prepare our baking dish. Lubricate it with a little olive oil to prevent sticking. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. Next, take 2 strips of bacon for each fillet and wrap them around the chicken. Bacon gives our chicken a delicious smoky flavor and adds a nice crispy texture. Plus, it helps keep the chicken moist as it cooks. The combination of chicken, pineapple, and cheese is beloved around the world, from tropical regions to the classic Hawaiian pizza. This blend of savory and sweet is truly irresistible. Place the chicken rolls into the backing dish. Add a few fresh oregano sprigs on top. Place the dish in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 30 minutes until the bacon is crispy and the chicken is cooked through. While our chicken is baking, let's prepare the side dish. Take 3 sweet potatoes. Cut them into large pieces. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients support eye health, the immune system, and digestive health. Transfer sweet potatoes to a saucepan. Fill the pan with water. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. And add a little salt. Boil the sweet potatoes until they are soft. You can check by piercing them with a knife. While our sweet potatoes are cooking, let's make a refreshing pineapple salsa to complement our meal. Take the second quarter of the pineapple we set aside earlier and cut it into small cubes. Pineapple salsa is a traditional Mexican dish that adds a burst of fresh, vibrant flavors to any meal. Chop a bunch of fresh cilantro. Cilantro is full of antioxidants and adds a bright, fresh flavor. Add it to the bowl. Next, take 2 small shallot onions. Chop them finely. Shallots have a mild, sweet taste that's perfect for salsa. And add them to the bowl. Finally, chop 10 cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are juicy and add a nice color to our salsa. They are also a good source of vitamins A and C, which support immune function and skin health. Now squeeze the juice of half a lime. Lime juice adds a tangy freshness and helps balance the sweetness of the pineapple. It also provides a good amount of vitamin C, which is important for immune health. Drizzle the salsa with lime juice. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together until well combined. This salsa is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a perfect complement to our chicken and sweet potatoes. Once sweet potatoes are done, drain the water. Add a pinch of black pepper, paprika, and nutmeg. Add 1 ounce or 30 grams of butter, 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese, mash the sweet potatoes well until they're smooth and creamy. The butter and Parmesan cheese make them rich and flavorful, while the spices add a nice warmth. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for our health. Our chicken should be ready now. Let's take it out of the oven. It smells amazing, doesn't it? The combination of the sweet pineapple, smoky bacon, and savory cheese is simply irresistible. Everything looks and smells amazing. Let's plate our meal. Add the chicken with pineapple and bacon. Scoop some creamy sweet potato mash onto a plate. And top with a generous spoonful of pineapple salsa. This meal is not only delicious, but also full of nutrients and made with love and fresh ingredients. I always try to use organic and natural products. It's important to nourish our bodies with wholesome foods. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as my family and I do. It's full of flavors and made with fresh, natural ingredients. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Cooking with love and fresh ingredients is the best way to ensure we all stay healthy and happy. See you next time, and happy cooking!